Thanks for watching. I'm Prerna Agarwal, Technical Product Owner for The Guardian. Today, I'll be giving you a short demo on how to do a project comparison in Guardian. So as you can see that I have launched Guardian in my local system, and this is the landing page. Once you build Guardian successfully using Docker or using manual process, you would see this particular landing page. And here, as you can see that you should see two options at the top right corner. One is the projects and the second is the demo admin panel. But today I would be more interested in the project option. We have different filters. We can just go over through the project comparison. You can actually filter your projects and search the projects using sectoral scopes, activity scales, apply technologies, project scales, subtypes, and methodologies being used. So I would be much more concerned and would be using project scale. So I would click and select both the scale, which is a large scale and a small scale, and I click on apply filters. Now, as you can see that I have two methodologies published and being minted in my local instance, which is ACM 0001 and ACM 0002. So I would like to compare these two methodologies and the projects underneath this. So in order to add these methodologies in the comparison, I would like to click on this plus sign, which would actually add it for my comparison. So I would add both the things. Now, as you can see that you would see two projects added for comparison, and then I would click on open the comparison. So this is our comparison page where would actually compare the project data of the methodology. So these are the DIDs of that particular project titles. And then as you can see here, you should be actually able to compare each of the schema field in the project with different methodologies, just to make sure that how that differs with each of the entry in the schema of that particular project. In addition to that, you also have a VP comparison. In addition to the project comparison, here you can see a detailed VP comparison of how this is ACM 0001 and this is ACM 0002, how the roles, how the hierarchy in the particular methodologies differ. Now, as you can see that this is a detailed comparison. In addition to that, you also have filters. If you just want to see the documents which are equal, including the nested schemas, you can just select this and then you would be able to just display this. You can also do the rest. If you just want to see the document, all fields are equal, but some of the nested elements are different, which is actually indicated by half green and half yellow. Filter is you can just look at the fields which are of the same type but contain different values, which is yellow, and the last is red, which are absent from one of the different documents in the different methodologies. To get more information, we have added our detailed documentation in our docs.hedera.com. And when you get there, you can go under standard registry. In that, you will have a project comparison folder where you can actually see a detailed documentation, what I have just demoed in a hierarchical or in a systematic manner. In addition to that, we also have our APIs where you can actually perform the comparison using your own portal and just using our API. That is all for today in the project comparison. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us on Slack or through an email. We would be happy to help you in any way we can. Thank you. Have a great day.